The first locomotive factory of independent India came into existence on 26 January 1950 in Chittaranjan town of West Bengal. Known as Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, the factory got its name after producing first steam loco, Deshbandhu, as homage to a great statesman Chittaranjan Das. Since then, the nation has seen a lot of transformation, and so has this indigenous loco building unit, known as one of the largest locomotive manufacturers in the world under a single roof. This majestic plant located on Howrah-Patna section has never failed to meet the expectations of the nation. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, it seamlessly mingles with highly skilled human workforce in this magnificent workshop. Chittaranjan Locomotive Works manufactured 2,351 steam locomotives. In 1968, the factory started manufacturing diesel hydraulic locomotives and has produced a total of 842 locomotives till 1993. As the demand for electric locomotives began in early 1990s, the factory has scripted history by producing 6,644 electric locomotives till date. CLW has over the years adopted latest technologies to remain abreast with the best and fulfill the requirements of Indian Railways. The first high-speed loco Web 5 equipped with aerodynamic design, crew voice and video recording system was successfully commissioned with maximum speed of 200 km per hour in October 2018. The locomotives at the factory are tested for proper functioning of all the equipment under different conditions. The necessary field trial is also carried out by running the locomotive for a few kilometers. Afterwards, the locomotive is dispatched to nominated sheds. The CLW is not just about metal and machines. For the members of CLW family, there are schools, outdoor and indoor sports facilities, a 200-bedded hospital with latest modular OT and state-of-the-art ICCU, and a township with all necessary facilities. Gaining accolades and awards through its journey for over past 6 decades, CLW stretched its footprints to the district of Hooghly by setting up a new unit at Dangpani.